Hello and welcome to the new episode of Science with Jairaj. Today we are going to make a soap with coconut oil. We shall see what all things are required for making a coconut soap. The things we needed are 500 grams of coconut oil, 100 grams of sodium hydroxide, 250 milliliter of water, a color and a perfume. These all things are needed for making a coconut soap. That is coconut oil 500 gram, caustic soda that is sodium hydroxide 100 gram, water 250 milliliter, color powder a small packet, perfume a small bottle. First of all, the 100 gram of caustic soda is put into 250 milliliter of water. It is stirred well. This reaction is exothermic and heat will be generated. We have to cool it before making the soap. In order to cool this caustic soda, we are placing this in a bath of water. We have to wait for half an hour. Now half an hour is passed. I am taking this caustic soda outside the water bottle. Now I am pouring some coconut oil into a glass jar. I have to mix this color powder with this coconut oil. I am mixing that. I am mixing it properly. It is well mixed and I am pouring this into the bottle of coconut oil. The perfume in the bottle is poured into the coconut oil. It is again mixed. Now I am pouring this sodium hydroxide solution into a small bucket and our coconut oil mixed with perfume and powder is gently pouring into that. I am shaking it well for mixing. Now our soap solution is ready. Then I am pouring this soap solution into this vessel. It is allowed to stand in that position for 2 days. 2 days are over. I have taken out the soap from that vessel. These are our soaps. You see? We cannot use this soap for another 15 days. We have to wait for another 15 days and after that this soap can be used for bathing and for everything. The theory behind soap making. Actually, soaps are sodium salts of fatty acids. Sodium hydroxide when mixed with coconut oil. Coconut oil is a fatty acid. So when sodium hydroxide is mixed with the fatty acid, we get soap. Soap is sodium salt of fatty acid. If you have any videos on demand, you can demand them in the comment box and we will include that videos in our next sessions. If you like our video, you can subscribe our channel Science with Jairaj. Thank you.